Good morning guys, welcome back to channel. Believe in you. Now time is 6:15 and today my plan is to go Kailashgiri, which is around 80 kilometers from my place. And today I am not going alone. I got my friends Sandeep and Kiran. They are my colleagues as well. And today's weather forecast says it will be cloudy, and so it will be good for the ride. So guys, we have met all my mates. This is Sandeep, this is Kiran, and right now we are at Puram. So our journey starts officially from here. So guys, we have taken the Chintamani road from National Highway 75, and right now we are at Hoskote. Just see how the sunlight is coming through the clouds. It's beautiful. So guys, we are just 4 kilometers away from our destination. My fellow riders, Kiran is riding in Hornet, and Sandeep is riding Enfield Classic 350. So obviously they are riding a more powerful bike and they are quite ahead of me. Still I can follow the lead. So now we are riding uphill and I'm loving it. These are like a typical Indian village roads, very narrow, broken, sometimes up climb, sometimes downwards, but still I can see lush of greeneries beside the road. We were down there. Now we are riding up. I hope you can see the view from here. How does it look down below? And it's good.
फोन क्यों मार रहा है? अब किसको हटाएगा यहाँ पर?
We have parked our bikes down below. Now we are going upwards only by walking. The roads are only with stones. You can see we have climbed a little bit, and we have to go around 500 to 750 meters like this, and you can see the mountain here. Guys, see, the Pujari has come on the TVS Jupiter, and right now we are standing just below the mountain, and there only the caves. You can see the cave gates as well, and inside the gates the temple. Just see how huge is that mountain. So we'll also make a queue. If they allows to take the camera inside, I will also take you in there. Just see how the cave is. Will there be enough light to capture anything?
No light. So big they have. Everybody is trying to do light.
It's damn pitch black. For now I will just pause it. So guys, I didn't show you what is there inside the temple because it was written like we can't use mobile or camera inside, and I didn't want to hurt anyone's religious view, so I didn't shoot anything. But there was a temple for Ganesha, Lord Ganesha, and one for Lord Shiva, and one for Goddess Lakshmi, and one more is under progress. Kiran told me they are making some a huge Shiva linga, and earlier they planned to make this mountain only as a Lord Shiva structure, but the engineers told the rocks are not good enough to make that structure, so they started it, but they stopped it immediately. I'm walking barefoot, and you can see all little stones, and these are hurting my foot.
Come this side.
Can you see that some structure is going on? So it will take few years to complete it. I hope I will be back again that time once it is open. So right now our plan is to go back. We'll start our journey soon. So guys, we have started our journey back to home. Kiran will divert on the way, and Sandeep will be coming till my home. We'll have lunch there, but on the way we are planning to have some food as well because we are a bit hungry. As the time is passing by, the weather is getting hot. It's getting quite sunny. When I just sat on my bike saddle, I almost burned my bum. I am not even accelerating. My scooter is going on its own. You can see the speed is around over 30. It's quite sunny now, but still the view is good. There is one more mountain, and that looks kind of creepy. Just see the shape of that. So guys, I am back to Bangalore again. The ride was peaceful. Climbing up and coming down made us to do a bit of workout. If you have liked this short trip, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any suggestions for me, let me know in the comment box below. If you are not subscriber yet, hit the subscribe button down below. So with that said, I will meet you on the next video. Till then, believe in you. GoPro, stop recording.